right? We are in the AI era where everything is getting transformed, including community.
Send a request, send a prompt, and get the response back. So that is 30 plus LLMs. These are from all sizes, small, medium, code development, testing, requirements engineering. All of these areas are specialized. Several choices of foundation model, as I described in the earlier part of my conversation.
So, when was the first time you guys had exposure to ChatGPT or something? Research we came down to in such a way that was intelligent enough to win the Jeopardy show, which was by Indians. Generating right now, I am working with AWS since last 4 years on AI/ML related projects. We work with some of the most implemented open source models because they have an inclination towards open source. We do have models coming up from open source fraternity called
यहाँ की एनर्जी अमेजिंग है, इतना ज्यादा टेक कंटेंट क्रेजी नेटवर्किंग हो रही है इधर. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम कमिंग टू पुणे लाउड ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी लाउड ऑफ इंडिया एंड just delivered a question about web.
बीच में ही लाइट चलाए हैं. फ्लैश लाइट चल रहा है आज, कैंडल लाइट नहीं होना. Engineers, welcome back to our channel, and today we are here with Rahul Shivarkar, and he will guide us like the new beginners who are there from college pass outs and they don't know how to get into software industry or DevOps role. So how we can approach into getting into DevOps, that is what we will get to know from Mr. Rahul. So hello Rahul.
Hey, hi.
Welcome to our
Hi Manthan. Thank you so much for inviting me on this video. Nice to meet you after long.
Oh yeah, it's been a long time that we have met. I think it's about 2 years that we have met.
Exactly.
Our last AWS user group meeting, and then in the last ACD as well, and then now we are meeting back again. So yeah, Rahul, can you tell our like community members or the students who are there
Sure.
in our college about it?
Sure, Manthan. So what I would say is, if you want to start and get into DevOps, the first thing that I would recommend is learning Linux. Okay, that's the first thing you should not be missing. So once you get good grab onto Linux, once you get good comfortable with Linux, then you can move with cloud. And since I'm into AWS, then I would say yeah, you can go with AWS. AWS has a lot of scope, lot of job opportunities. So start with Linux, get into AWS, and then there are other tools and technologies like Jenkins. Then there is Terraform, then there is Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. All these tools revolve around DevOps. So to keep it short, you need to be good at OS, that is Linux, as I mentioned. Pick one cloud of your choice, maybe AWS, and then the tools that I mentioned. But you really need to be good at cloud and other tools to get into DevOps. And one thing that I would like to mention here is, don't specifically look for an opportunity that says DevOps.
Right.
Okay, grab an opportunity and get into the industry. Getting into the industry is really very important. Once you get in, then there are a lot of opportunities that would come in front of you. So getting an opportunity, the first opportunity is very important. Get it, don't lose it, and then nobody stops you from learning, right? There are a lot of things, there are hundreds of things that you can learn and grow yourself. Then there comes AI and other things. I don't want to talk about those things right now.
Actually,
But
we
yeah.
are today here in the AI/ML edition of
Exactly.
AWS.
Exactly. We are at AI ML edition of AWS User Group Pune. So those are the other things that I would say. But first, yeah, OS, cloud, and DevOps tools are must.
Almost exactly. Yeah, thank you for that. And of course, as like tool are secondary aspect of any technical skill. first is the mindset that you have to have. So can you tell us like how does software engineer differ from DevOps engineers, and how what is the mindset that they have to shift from like?
See, DevOps is basically a philosophy. Okay. Um, DevOps is a person who interacts with developers. DevOps is a person who interacts with QA. DevOps is a person who interacts with other stakeholders. And there has to be a mentality of collaboration. If you are not able to collaborate with other team members, then it becomes very difficult to follow that philosophy. DevOps engineering or DevOps is not such a position, it's a philosophy. So to fit into that philosophy, you need to have a mindset of collaboration.
Exactly.
And sharing across other teams what you know, what you don't know, learning from others is really very important. So continuous learning, collaboration is really very important, I would say.
Exactly right. Like otherwise, software engineers are like only wants their laptop and then start coding and just only I will build this thing, and rest of the responsibility like shoulders it to other people. So that's not how DevOps people work. Okay, that's the most important. Okay, so thank you, Rahul. Thanks. It
Thank
was
you so
great
much.
having you.
Thank you so much, Manthan.
Mhm.
So there would be a lot of things coming.
Coming up.
If you're around, maybe I'm not sure you would be releasing this video now or not.
Not
But yeah, great
yeah, of
talking with
course.
you.
Yeah, of course. We'll like urge you people to join the next user group events and community days as well. And as well, Rahul is also being speaking in certain different events as such. So subscribe to his LinkedIn account, and I guess you have.
And do follow Shubham's channel. Sorry, Manthan's channel. I was talking with Shubham, so I just missed it. So I'll again say it. Maybe you can
No, of course.
read it.
It's
So
okay.
yeah, you can connect with Manthan and follow his channel.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
How many of you have seen SDLC very closely? How many of you are working professionals? Dekha hai? How much time do you take for this SDLC? Depends on project. Let's say a simple project, Jira jaisa. How much time of your day you spend writing code?
Whole entire.
How many of you found a laptop to share? यहाँ पे? Oh, they're so busy. करो. Amazing. मैं कुछ तो बोलता है, don't worry, आप करो. The first one to set up Amazon queue actually gets a swag. Oh, back end इधर
Back and front end.
okay इधर anyone else? So team A and team B plus one. वहाँ से कोई anyone? Nice. It's good. We should too. ये तो मेरा यहाँ क्लोन बनाएंगे. Nice. We have completed. Which is amazing. Big round of applause. This guy has actually completed it. Can you like the backend part as well? Amazing, yeah? That's the best part, right? And if you use it on CLI, you find it much better. Try CLI whenever you find time. Yeah?
Oh,
अभी तो टीम में जीत रही थी, ये एकदम से वक्त बदल दिए, जज्बात बदल दिए, क्या कर दिया हमने तो?
ये साइड में इंटरनेट स्लो चल रहा है थोड़ा.
ये कैसा बहाना है? Anyway, how was your experience?
Actually, I am currently building a tool for security purposes end to end, like which will use React, Node.js, and all the Merge stack, as well as it would be hosted on Kubernetes services.
Okay,
So-
so you find the developer productivity can be improved with this?
Exactly. And I am going to use it to build the entire product, and I will ping you once it is complete.
Superb. So these were the people who actually could complete the workshop, but this workshop is not designed to be a 1 hour, 1.5 hour. It's a starting of your, AI assisted journey.
And also one of the AWS
bedrock use case as well, how we can create our own FinOps agents. Okay, there are a lot of software vendors, there are a lot of FinOps vendors in the market who are helping you, gain transparency, create time. Let's say you have a very big hierarchy, you are using, let's say, you are having 100 plus cloud accounts, right, in AWS. So you need someone to analyze the data. There could be human errors, so you need a system, a mechanism to do that rather than some human being, right? Once it is done, you need the machine learning processes to predict, to do the trending and forecasting work, okay? Because you have to make sure that you are monitoring it over a long period of time. You cannot say that today is read letter and then those are the people who fall prey to the particular security breaches of the attacks, right? So MCP provides you a secure way to access your workloads and healthcare data of the particular patient, and that can give you recommendations or systematic treatment plans for your patients according to the insights that they find in your reports. But they are still working behind the scenes to post the social media things, creating the press releases or sending you the emails, post-event emails as well. So there are people like Aditi. She could not be here. She's part of our team. Bhumi, Swapna, and many of the people who are there, you can see on the poster, those are the people who have worked over here, and they have really worked hard for this event. So thank you everyone for your time, and I would appreciate from AWS user group and from the entire AWS community for your efforts. We would love to see you again for our next event as a volunteer. Thank you everyone.